There, I'm meteorologist Chikage. Windler, get ready, the coldest air of the season filtering in. If winds were to go totally calm, we could see some seriously cold readings. Instead, I think the winds will stay up enough that most areas in town will see a light freeze. The heart of the city may not freeze at all, but if you're out in the hill country, all bets are off. Upper 20s to near 30 degrees, certainly going to mean you need to protect the plants, the pets, and possibly any exposed pipes. Here's a look at your forecast. That freeze warning is in effect until 9 a.m. on Wednesday morning for all counties in the KEYE-TV viewing area with the exception of Fayette County near LaGrange, where no freeze warning for you. Let's talk about how cold it could get. For the record, at ABIA, I'm forecasting 30, which would break the record of 32 set back in 1976. At Camp Mabry, 34 is not going to break a record, nor will it reach the freezing point. But look at the comparisons. These temperatures will be some 15 to 20 degrees colder than normal. Here's an overview of low temperatures through the overnight. Most areas in the hill country into the upper 20s. As you head toward the city, right in Austin around 34, but ABIA to 30, and slightly warmer off toward the plains. Now I want to take you through our zone forecast so you can see through the 5 zones exactly what kind of weather to expect first thing in the morning. In Travis County, the record of 29, as mentioned, will be safe in the city, though outlying areas will probably see that freeze. Lago Vista, 31 for you, 32 in Manchac. Out toward Pflugerville, 31 degrees. Williamson County, a little bit colder, 28 in Florence, 30 degrees for you in Taylor, 30 as well for Round Rock with that freeze likely. Coldest spots should be in the hill country. Mason around 26, Llano 27, and I have a hunch that some of the coldest valleys may even see some low to middle 20s in a few isolated spots. Can't rule out chills, making it all the way down into the upper teens. Hays County, a freeze warning continuing for you until 9 a.m., 32 in Buda, right to that freezing point in San Marcos, 31 in Dripping Springs. And finally out toward the plains, not as cold, LaGrange 36, Bastrop 32, Elgin 32, and Rockdale right around 30 degrees. How does this compare to normal? Well, our average first freeze for Camp Mabry, December 2nd, ABIA, November 27th. That's a little bit early, a couple of weeks in fact. Llano and Fredericksburg, though, right on schedule. San Marcos and Smithville in the November 19th through 22nd range. Wednesday's going to start out cold, but at least warm up a little bit. We'll be in the 50s by the time we reach late afternoon. Not too much wind. Mind you, the average high this time of year is 72. But wait, temperatures overnight tomorrow night into early Thursday might actually be a little bit colder because of lighter winds. So I'm forecasting 33 on your Thursday morning, with most outlying areas a degree or 2 colder than what we'll see by Wednesday morning. Temperatures, though, moderating in a big way. Thursday, 66. Friday, 73. Could see some early drizzle. Look at this weekend. F1, Longhorns game. I've knocked our rain chances down to 20%. I've brought our temperatures up to the upper 70s to 80s by Sunday, followed by another strong cold front. Monday's transition day. Tuesday it gets chillier, and Wednesday of next week looks like another cold one. Gotta love Texas, from 30s to 80s, all in the span of one Storm Tracker 7 day. Have a good one.